It's the Glitar 6 by Mingda, and with shipping it was around $2,000. Packaging, it arrived really nice. I mean, the box was really well built. I know these things are coming from China, but I wanted to have a big printer, and this is about the biggest one available. I'm definitely leery about buying something from so far away, because if there is a problem with it, how would I deal with it? But I am kind of a mechanical engineer, so I figured I'd give it a shot. But anyway, it has been plagued with problems so far since I brought it out of the box. Tried to print my first item, and I did print a small little dog, but that was after I had to take one motor out. I had to completely take the back motor out that's on the X-axis because it was slipping, and all it really was the Allen screws were loose on the drive gear that's on the shaft of that motor back there. Basically, the plate wouldn't adjust because there was another tab. This sensor tab here for the height was bent in shipping as well. And now the temperature sender is bad. And I've contacted Mingda a few times here in emails, and basically the reply is, "We're sorry, you have big problem with unit." And I could tell there's definitely a language barrier there. But as far as their 24/7 help support, so far I'm not impressed with all their support. I'm just worried that I bought basically a $2,000 piece of garbage that's pretty when it lights up. I mean, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty unit. I think I bought so far, something that's going to need constant attention. And right now it doesn't work. Until I get that sensor, a replacement wiring harness, and a sensor, I can't even use it. Basically, the extruder tip got clogged, and I took the extruder tip out and putting it all back together, I noticed some of these wires were frayed. This looks like a heat shield for the wires that are in this temperature sending unit, and they were frayed. And now I put it back together and it's just not working. The temperature's jumping all over the place, and it's supposed to be off right now, so it's the temperature, it's not reading right. The thing won't work right now, and I've only had it about 48 hours. So we'll see how Mingda does on their support. But as far as I'm concerned right now, I'm trying to keep an open mind once I get the thing working. But unless you're some type of mechanical or electrical engineer, and you're ready to put some work into this yourself to get it to run properly, you're going to be out of luck. And everything they say is, well, if you need help, go back to the manual. Well, I could read a few excerpts from the manual. It says, "Big fine, do this," yes. And it's like, you read the manual, which is all of about 10 pages, and there's no help. There's absolutely no help. And the manual's completely worthless. So right now we'll just see. This is my first review of the thing. I'm impressed with its size, how it's made. It's a nice big steel box. But as far as shipping, I think that's where the problems have all arisen, is shipping and getting beat up and arriving to me. So anyway, this is my first review. Hopefully they get back with me and I can get this thing running again. But so far I'm not impressed with their assistance, I guess you could say, or lack of, because it's tough getting anybody to speak with me.